Oh, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm again with another money bag or purse for you guys. This is from Guess. You can see beautiful box of Guess. And all the information is written, original from Guess. Let's see here. Guess is Spain. Let me take this off this part. Lovely paper is covered with. And you see the bag. Beautiful Guess written, you can see here. Take this off from here. Let's see. More paper goes down, so nothing else in the box. I see. It's fine. So it goes down. Doesn't matter. You see here, Guess is written. Beautiful pack here. You can see. Here you can put your card, other stuff. One chain if you have coins or other things. See more other things you want to carry. This is lovely thinking. Inside you can put here. Lovely. I take this paper out as well. You see Guess here. Lovely, very small size. Here 2 to 4. Card can go inside 4. 1 here. 5, 6, 7 cards in this mini pack. Here you see Guess original. Says original genuine leather. Written. Beautiful quality. I feel lovely quality at hand. You can see in the zip also written Guess. Lovely, incredible, beautiful looking pack, guys. And let's go inside. Here you have some marking and all the things. One pack only, so only the money, dollar, pound, can use here. Basically for credit card or the cards. Very small handy size. You see how beautiful and small it is. Put at your hand. Lovely. Can feel at your hand from Guess, guys. Very beautiful and elegant bag for man. So this is unboxing of Guess purse for men. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.